Hey Linux gangs, welcome to the another next video. Today we are talking about security groups and NSCLs. We are seeing how their behaviors and how they work. We will work on the default VPCs. So let's go. Do not wasting time. Let's start the video. Okay, come on, let's go. I will show you what are security groups. First of all, okay, security groups are nothing but security firewall, stateful firewalls, which works on the instance level. Like, what is meant by stateful? Means whenever we allowed then inbound rules, it's automatically allows and outbound rules. It means do not have to configure it manually. Let's see, whenever an outbound traffic goes, either there is not allowed inbound rules, configure inbound rules, but automatically it will allow it to come traffic inside the instance. This traffic will be anything like we will send ping commands or anything, so it is known as stateful sets. Okay, like so what happened now, guys, whenever the traffic inbound, let's see, whenever traffic inbounds, if there is no configure outbound rule in security group rules, it's automatically send packets return to outbound from the instance. Why happen this? Because the security group rules have nature of statefulness. We do not have to configure manually the configuration of outbound rules, inbound rules. Once the inbound is configured, outbound is automatically configured. Automatically the ports has been opened. So likely whenever we send inbound rules from browsers, let's understand when the browser packets goes to an instance. Okay, this is instance. For example, take the outbound rule automatically will go. But keep in mind, guys, the TC inbound rule is necessary to compulsory. If you have to give traffic inside the instance, if you have to go outside, you have to give outbound rules. Okay, now we will see practically. You will greatly understand. Now we will be see, guys, NACLs. NACL is on the VPC level security group. It's extra layer of security. For example, this is VPC and here NACL is present in the upfronts of all subnets and in the entry of the VPCs. Mainly, guys, what's happened now, NACLs have some ports that is allocates when the traffic enter. All the TCP traffic have some allocated ports like 1024 to 65,535. This guy is 1024 is an general purpose ports like 80, 22, SSH, all. 65,000 is normal for traffic like IP address, our customer clients, and other register applications, register ports. These are all okay, guys. So this is mainly understand that these ports are allocated to the all TCP traffics. From here we can easily debug and block the traffic. For example, guys, whenever NACL inbounds, it wants the application want to hit again back, means we have to send return packets. So that's how we can get application on browser, no? But if NACL is what, if we configure inbound rule allow, it will not allow outbound rule if it is not configured. We have to configure it manually. Like in security group we have seen that it's configured automatically, but we have to configure it manually. We have to automatically configure outbound rule allow. Okay, guys, understand, guys? If we will see practically, you will understand. This is only for terminology. Let's see, NACL is an extra layer security. Okay, and guys, always we understand, means inbound is coming, like you see in security group rules, its outbound is automatically configured if you not return. But NACLs, what do, guys? NACLs, when inbound is allowed and if not allowed outgoing, it is not working, guys. We have to allow outgoing also. We will see in practical, then you will have great understanding. Okay, initial is a security layer in VPC, which if we allow one traffic rule in security group rule and in initial it deny. Yes, in initial we have extra option for extra control over security, great granularity, like allow and deny. In EC2 instance security group we cannot allow or deny, but in NACLs we can do it. We will give more control over our traffic control. Okay guys, we will see in our practicals. Practicals is important guys, that we can understand. Without it you will not understand. Let's go to the practical. Open your AWS console. We will work in default VPC. Okay, we will work in default VPC. If you have to configure VPC, configure, but we will cover it in another video. Okay, here is network ACL of that VPC, which is default, which is associated with 6 subnets. Okay, here you can see edit inbound rules, outbound rules. Here is the rule number 100. All traffic is allowed. Okay, all traffic from 000 is all allowed. Means NACLs is now allowing all traffic. Okay, we will see it afterward. First we will see security group rules. Okay, let's go to the security group rules. Guys, these all are AWS secure firewalls, the powerful firewalls which AWS build. Okay, instance. Now we will launch one instance. Okay, it is getting load. Launch, give name is testing. Guys, do practical, then you will be 1 minute. Instance. Guys, do practical, then you will be gone confusion about what the security group rules and all. Okay, so we will do testing. Keep here for connecting SSH secure shelling our instance. Now we will do what? Do edit. Here we can see that guys, here is security group rule which is default, launch wizard 1. Okay, launch wizard 1 which is allowing SSH. We will see afterward in practical. SSH. Okay, we will configure nginx in user data. 8 GB. Okay, come on here. Okay guys, you also write user data. If this will do what, this will initialize this whatever script we written in the booting initializations, then we will do not have to configure it afterwards. Okay, windows sudo apt update, I will installing nginx -y sudo apt systemctl enable nginx. Okay, sudo systemctl restart nginx. Okay, that is great. Okay, launch instance. Now it is getting initialized. Wait till the health checks are completed. Okay, then only you log into the instance. Now we will launch the instance. Okay guys, okay, this is status check initialization, but my thought is that it will be available. But guys, you, if there are health checks is okay, then only try. Okay, SSH. Okay, we will first go to that key, downloads, move to the home directory. Okay, now we will SSH. Guys, tell me that if I can speak in Hindi also. If you are not comfortable with sudo ch mode, this is the for security purpose. Otherwise, the PEM key will not accepted by instance. So we have to do sudo ch mode. Okay. Now it will okay login. First we will test nginx is install or not. Wait 1 minute. Okay, here status is initializing. Okay, first we will check sudo user share nginx. Okay, it is configured, but we will test with the private IP address. Guys, this private IP address and public IPv4 DNS is listening on the port 80. So nginx also is port 80, so they overwrite it. Okay, so whenever we call this automatically, see guys, in the nginx context is here. This is our website content. Okay, web server content. This nginx is running 80, so this private and public IPv4 DNS ports are overriding it. Okay, now we will see security groups. Okay, first we will ping the google.com and let's see. First we will go to security group rules, security group. First we will see the inbound rule is only SSH allowed guys. Okay, only SSH. Now an outbound rule is all traffic. Means inbound rule is what, when we will send ping, the inbound rule also wanted to configure but is not configure. Only outbound rule is all traffic. It's automatically will configure inbound rule in the backend side. Okay, we will see in the board the configuration. Okay, see the outgoing is going ping. We will do ping. Ping is ICMP protocol. So in all traffic, it will also configure. Okay, here see inbound rule is nothing configure. Ping is what? ICMP. And ICMP we have not configured in inbound rules. In outbound rules, all traffic. So all ICMP, TCP, UDP, HTTPS all are configured. Okay, that's what I am saying, guys. Whenever the outgoing is going network, it's automatically inbounding. Okay, we will see ping google.com. See, this is pinging. You can see the packets are receiving. ICMP packets are received from the network layers. Okay, see here ICMP sequence 1 2. Okay, this is pinging. Why this is pinging, guys? Inbound rule is not configured. The packet is going to google.com and again coming back. So inbound rule also configure, but security groups have stateful nature. We have do not have configure manually. Okay, that's the power of security group rules. Okay, now we will see inbound rule. Okay, we have to open board. Okay, we have seen that outgoing going, again inbound coming. Whether we have not configured inbound rules, but it's coming, guys. The backend side AWS security group firewall has configured the port of ICMP. Okay, that's a stateful nature and firewalls of security group rules in AWS. Okay, that's not confusing, guys. First, whenever you are beginner, you will be confused, but we will be, you will do practice, you will not confuse. Okay, let's see security group rules. Now we will what do, guys, now we will see inbound rules. Okay, now we will see the inbound rules, how inbound rule works. Okay, now here's, we will see security group rules of the instance we have recently launched. It is only allowing SSH, and outgoing rules we have deleted all. Okay, now we will see. Okay, we will copy the public IPv4 DNS of instance which run on port 80. Now we will allow all TCP in your IPv4. Okay, now let's see. See only, guys. See, in new tab there will be launch. See, welcome to nginx. Okay, means now the inbound is allowing, outbound I all remove outbound rules. Outbound is also automatic configuring. Means inbound is we are flowing traffic to the instance like this. Again the website, the application content come to our browsers automatically. I have shown that you, I remove all the outbound rules. That's the stateful nature of the security group rules. Okay, try to understand, guys. Now I will drop this all. Okay, see, there is no outbound rules, only inbound rules I have configured. See, means automatically in the backend the outbound rule is getting configured. Okay, now the edit bound rules. What? Okay, sorry guys, my recording has been glitched. So the initials I will cover in next topic, next video. So do practice, guys. Okay, bye.